My next stop was the city's famous bird market. This is a very busy place. Not surprising, since this province is one of the most densely populated areas of Indonesia. Jogja came into being in 1755 after the division of Mataram into the sultanates of Yogyakarta and Surakarta. It became a diverse city of business and trade where the arts were encouraged to flourish. Markets like this have also boomed, and the modern residents like to bargain for their pets.
Well, the popular choice of pet here in Yogyakarta is the bird, particularly these racing pigeons. And if you head here to the bird market, you'll find a huge variety of feathered friends. Ready? Okay. Woo!
Among the bigger birds here, a great variety of fighting cocks that are just itching to leap out of their cages and into the ring. You'll also find a range of accessories for your racing bird.
To call the bird?
Yeah. They put in the tail for the racing.
Okay. And so when the bird's flying, the wind goes through it.
For the competition, flying competition too.
Wow. So in the flying competition, you'll actually hear all these whistles. Yeah. Fantastic.
Sure,
Oh, it's a great whistle.
How many? Maybe
30.
On that note, it was time to move on.